In order to show the plan of the ground floor, first we will choose from camera menu, parallel projection. We will notice that the view we already working on is the perspective. But when we choose parallel projection, it will make the top view seems as 2D drawings. The difference between parallel projection and perspective is the projection. So parallel projection is a kind of projection where the obtained view of an object is less realistic as there is no foreshortening, and the relative dimension of the object remains preserved. As we will notice, the ground floor plan appears as a 2D plan, as if we had drawn it in any CAD software. We will see how to view the depths of the objects in a 2D plan like this. So we will let the doors appear on this plan, and we will turn on section planes, then select the plane we use and move it down 50 centimeters so that the doors appear. Return to the plan scene, then set the camera on parallel projection, then update the scene to save this view.